Dear students, I am Sandan, working as a physics faculty in Target English Medium School. So, in the past video, in the chapter of motion, I am clearly explained what is the speed and what are the units of speed. Now in this video I would like to explain about what are the types or kinds of force, or how many types or kinds of speed is there, not force, speed is there. What are they, with suitable examples for understanding of you I will explain in this video. Let me come to our topic directly. So what is the name of our topic today? Types or kinds of speed. Means how many types of speed? Mainly 4 types of speeds are there. First one is uniform speed. Second one, non-uniform. It is also called variable speed. Third one, average speed. And the fourth one, instantaneous speed. So how many types or kinds of speed are there? Means mainly 4 kinds of speed are there. One is uniform speed, non-uniform speed, it is also called variable speed, average speed, and finally instantaneous speed. Now we discussed one by one in this part video. First one, uniform speed. Which type of speed we are called uniform speed? If a body covers, equal distances in equal intervals of time, however the time intervals are maybe small, the body said to be in uniform speed. So listen very carefully. Which type of speed we are called uniform speed? Means if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, the body said to be in which speed? Uniform speed. Already we know that very clearly what is the speed. Speed is nothing but we can define in the 2 ways. The simplest way is, the first one is the rate of change of motion is called speed. And another definition is the distance covered by a body in a unit time is called speed. Speed is a scalar quantity, it is not a vector quantity. Why? Because we know that speed is a scalar quantity. Means in case of measuring the speed we consider only magnitude according to the vectors concept. So speed is equals to distance by time. The ratio of the 2 scalars is also become a scalar. So that is what is there. Now means means speed is nothing but it is the ratio of the two scalar quantities only. That's why speed is also a scalar. It has only magnitude but not considered any direction. What are the SI unit of speed? We know that SI means system of international. According to system of international, what is the unit of SI unit of speed means meter per second. CGS unit is centimeter per second. But generally to measure the speed of the vehicles when they travel from one place to another place, so we are not use the meter per second because of it is the smallest unit to measure the speed of the vehicles. That's why they measure in other units, that is kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to how many meters per second? 5 by 18 meters per second. At the same way, 1 meter per second is equals to how many kilometers per hour, means 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. That is clearly I explained in the past video, and also we discussed one numerical example numerical about that formula or concept. Now come to that one. Uniform speed means a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Then we say that the body is in which speed? Uniform speed or uniform motion. So, in this tabular form, you are observing very carefully. In this tabular form, they are given two physical quantities of magnitude, distance in meters, time, we have considered the seconds. First second, 5 meter distance travel. In the second time, in 2 seconds, it travel 10 meters. In 3 seconds, 15, and vice versa. And finally, after 5 seconds, the body will be covered 25 meter distance. Now we draw a graph. It is the y-axis, it is the x-axis. On x-axis, we are taking the time values in seconds. On the y-axis, we are taking the distance values in meters. So now here it is the 0. Everyone will start with the 0. Now here time is what is around 1 to 5. We are considered here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like in the distance 5, 10, 15 to 20. Now here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in meters. So what are the values they are given in the tabular form? Here means what are the values you are considering in the table form? So distance and time values you are considered. So from 1 second to 5th second we are considered. From 1 second to 5th second the body will be covered. How much is 125 meters in 5 seconds. So when the time is 0, what is the distance traveled by the body? 0, because of the body is ready to start. Now after 1 second the body will be covered. How much distance? 5. That's why for 1, how How much distance? 5. That's why exactly we draw a circle. The circle is represented means okay, in 1 second time the body will be covered how much distance? 5. So you are observing clearly like this one. That's why in 1 second it will be covered okay 5 meters. Next in the 2 seconds okay 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25. Like the same we can 2. What is that one? 10. Next 3, 15. Next 4. Here. 3 here. Next 4. Next 5. 25. Now here we are observing that clearly. Okay. So when what are the values we are considering? That values we can draw in the form of graph. The graph is showing which one? Straight line. Okay. So this graph is represented which one? Distance and time. Okay. The distance time graph is always given the which value? Speed value. Here according to this one, the speed is gradually means what you are understanding there. Okay. In first 1 second it will be covered how much distance? 5. In the 2 seconds 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25. Now let me come to that one. Okay. Here what is the difference in the time? 1 to 2, 1, 5 to 10, 5, 2 to 3, 1 second, 10 to 15, 5 meters. Next 5 meters, 5 meters. Here 1 second, 1 second. Okay. So 0 to 1, 0 to 5. Here is also 5 meters. Are you understanding or not? So starting is 0, 0 to 1, 1 second, 0 to 5, 5 meters. Here we are observing that. Okay. What is the when you can say the body is in uniform speed if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Okay, then we can say the body is in uniform speed or uniform motion. Now here in first 1 second, how much distance? 5 meters. In the next 1 second, 5 meter. Next 1 second, 5 meter. You are observing that every 1 second, okay, the body will be covered 5 meters only. Means okay, the body will be covered 5 meter distance. 5 okay, every time in 1 second. Means the body will be covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Is nothing but for every 1 second during in its journey. Okay, the body will be covered 5 meter distance. Generally, when this type of situation will be happen means if a body is moved with constant speed. Okay, when your body is moving with a constant speed, at that time only, okay, this situation will be possible. Otherwise, if the body will be moving with different speeds during in its journey, that is not belonging to the uniform speed, it will becomes under the non-uniform speed. Okay, so listen very carefully. When a body will be covered equal distance in equal intervals of time means when the body will be moved with okay same speed or constant speed, at that time only the body will be covered. Okay, sorry, the body will be okay move with uniform speed. Generally, for understanding of you, I will tell one thing. Okay, in normal situation, apart that. A, it is the D, we are considered. A is the starting point and D is the end point or final point, we are considered. So A is the starting point, D is the end point. Okay, it is one town, it is the another town in our district we are considered. Okay, here between this A and D towns we are considered another one is there B, next C. Okay, B and C are the some other towns or villages. Okay, in the between the A and D towns. That is we are assuming that here. So the total distance from A to D is 150 kilometers. Just we are consider that. So what is the total distance from A to D? 150 kilometers are there. Okay. Now A to B. Okay, is how much one? 50 kilometers. B to C we are considered 50 kilometers. C to D we are considered 50 kilometers. Just for understanding of you about our concept. Okay, so we are considered the two towns A and D. Okay, so between the A and D towns we are considered another two villages B and C. Either they are towns or villages. What is the total length of the path from A to D is 150 kilometers. The distance from A starting to ending is 150. Now, just for understanding of you, we are assumed that A to B distance is 50, B to C is 50, C to D is 50. Okay, 50 plus 50 plus 50, totally 150. Okay, now the vehicle, a person is started from point A, okay, by car or bus or scooter, whatever that vehicle we are considered that. A person is started from point to A. Okay, he will move towards the point D. In this one, just you are concerned, he was moving in a bike or car. Okay, so if a person is moving in a car, he maintain, just for understanding of you, 50 kilometer per hour speed. 50 kilometer per hour speed. I said in a vehicle, in vehicles, a speedometer is there. The speedometer is a displays the body will be moved with how much speed at instant time. Anyway, so with help of the speedometer, we are observing what is the speed of the car, 50 kilometers per hour. What is the meaning of kilometer per hour means? Okay, in 1 hour the body will be covered how many kilometers? 50 kilometers. That's why a person is moving in a car with constant speed. What is that one? 50 kilometer per hour. That's why A to B means he reached the B in how much time? 1 hour. That is, you know that. Why? Because of the person is moving with how much speed? 50 kilometers per hour. Means according to this concept, means in 1 hour he covered how much distance? 50 kilometers. That's why what is the distance from A to B? 50 kilometers means is nothing but he covered in 1 hour. Next, he does not change the speed. He move with a constant speed. Okay, that's why B to C is also 1 hour. Then C to D is also 1 hour. Here we are observing that a person is covered equal distances in equal intervals of time in its journey. That's why the person is moved with uniform speed. Okay, when it is possible this situation when the person is moved with constant speed, at that time only uniform speed will be valid. Otherwise, one time is 50, one time is 100, then what will happen? The time intervals may change. Distance is same, but the time is changes. Then it is not comes to the uniform speed, it is the variable speed. Anyway, so if we draw a diagram, if we can draw a graph by taking the distance and the time values we are taken on x-axis and the distance values we are taken on y-axis. If we can draw the graph is always straight line. If the graph is straight line, that is represented the body is moves with uniform speed. What are the examples of uniform speed means? A train moving with 70 kilometers per hour. A car is moving with 90 kilometers per hour. A bus is moving with 50 kilometers per hour. Entire the journey. So these are the examples for uniform speed. Now let me come to the next second one. What is the second one? Non-uniform uniform speed. It is also called variable. Variable is nothing but change. Variable speed. So just opposite for the uniform speed definition. What is the uniform speed? How we can define, or when we can say the body is in uniform speed or motion means if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, the body is said to be uniform speed. However, the time intervals are maybe small. Means you can take in the time interval small also, it is valid. But what about the non-uniform speed? Means if a body covers equal distances are two types of them. If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, the body is said to be non-uniform speed. Listen very carefully. So two types of ways you can explain here. Two modes you can explain the definition of non-uniform speed. First one is if a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then the body is said to be in non-uniform speed or variable speed. And another one is slightly if a body covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time, then the body is said to be in non-uniform speed. But most of the cases, for avoid the confusion, we prefer the first definition. What is that one? If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then we say that the body is in non-uniform speed. So let me come to that point. A, B. Same previous concept we are considered. If we are considered the two places or two towns, A and D. A is the starting point, D is the end point or final point. Now between the A and B, we are considered the two places B and C. So here the total distance is 150 kilometer. For understanding of you, same values I will take it here. So the A to B, we are considered 50 kilometers. B to C, 30 kilometers. 50 plus 30, 80. What is the remaining one? That's right, 70 kilometers. Listen very carefully. Means, simply leave this one. Another mode I will explain. So, what is the total distance from A to D? 150 kilometers. Between the A to D, we consider another two small towns B and C. Whether towns or villages. Let me consider or assume the body is started from point A and it will be moved towards the point D because of D is the destination. So in this one, in the first 1 hour, just for understanding of you, the body will be covered 50 kilometer. Next, in the next 1 hour, the body will be covered 30 kilometer. In the next 1 hour, the body will be covered 80 kilometer. Now here we are observing that in the first 1 hour, the body will be covered how much distance? 50 kilometer. In the next 1 hour, 30 kilometer. In the next final hour, 80 kilometer. 50 plus 30, 80. 80, sorry here, 70 I consider. 80 plus 70, 150 totally. So now let me come to that one. So in first 1 hour, how many kilometers? 50. In next 1 hour, 30. In next 1 hour, 70. Here we are observing that the time intervals are equal, but the distance covered is not equal. Means if a body is covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time, then we say that the body is in non-uniform speed or variable speed. When it is possible, from this one, simply I will explain one thing here. Okay, so in first 1 hour it is covered how much distance? 50 kilometer. Means from A to B, just we consider that from A to B the body will be moves with how much speed? 50 kilometers per hour. This is the S1 speed. Means the initials from A to B means S of AB, we are considering that the speed of a body from A to B is 50 kilometers per hour. Next, B to C. S of B to C, the body will be covered 30 kilometers per hour means speed. Why? In 1 hour from B to C, it will be covered how much one? 30 kilometers. That's why from B to C, the body is moved with how much speed? 30 kilometers. Next, C to D. S of CD, that is equals to 70 kilometers per hour. Here we are observing that the body is moving with a constant speed. No, when the body is moving with a constant speed, it will be okay. That is which speed? Uniform speed. Because of when a body is moving with a constant speed, at that time the body will be covers equal distance in equal time. But here the body will be moving with one time is 50, one time is 30, another time is 70 kilometers per hour. Due to that reason, okay, so the body will be covers unequal distances but in equal intervals of time. Then the body is said to be in which one? Variable speed. Most of the cases, in case of human being, in case of animal being, we are moving with not in constant speed, we are moving with variable speed only during in our journey from one place to another place. Because of we know that, okay, so when you are moving on a road, okay, by bicycle or by scooter or through any vehicle, you are observing that, okay, so if the road is good means even, you move very fastly. If the road is uneven means any trenches are there or speed breakers are there, what we can do? We can reduce the speed. After overcome speed breaker, again we can increase the speed. That's why due to the road conditions, okay, so what will happen? You will be means move with different types of speed. Is nothing but you are not moving with the same speed, you move with different speed. That's why most of the cases our journey is belonging to non-uniform speed only. Okay, that is one. So one of the example for this one is a boy or a person moving in a bicycle in a crowded street, okay, or in a traffic. Best one. So you are observing that a person is moving in a bike or bicycle in a crowded street or in a traffic. You are observing that if the traffic is heavy, we move very slowly. If the traffic is clear, we will move very fast. That's why the speed is sometimes increase, sometimes will be decrease. That's why you are not moving with a constant speed, you are moving with variable speed. That's why that is one of the example for non-uniform speed. Like the same way, the leaf will be fall onto the ground from the tree. Understanding or not? A leaf is freely fall onto the a leaf. Okay, a freely fall or a leaf is fall from a tree onto the ground. It is also non-uniform speed because of the leaf will not move with the same speed. It will be due to the wind direction or due to the wind velocity. So it will be moved fastly or like this one. The change directions are changing and finally comes. But actually that is belonging to velocity. Because directions are changes. If you have not considered, it comes to the non-uniform speed. Now, for the same thing, we can draw this one in a tabular form. We know that it is the distance in which one meters, time in which one seconds. So just in the seconds, in 1 second the body will be covered 5. Next 2, 7 meters, 3, 15, 4, 20. Now here we are observing that x-axis, here y-axis. On x-axis, which values were taken? Time values in seconds, and distance values we are taken on x-axis in which one? Meters. Now it is the 0. Then we come 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Next here 5, 7, 15, 20. That's why 5 to 20 we are considered 0. Next here we are considered the 5. Here 10. Here 15. Here 20. That's why you know that how we can take the units. On x-axis 1 unit is equals to 1. On y-axis 1 unit is equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 we are considered here. That's why. So now, okay, 0 means 0 starting. And in 1 second, how much distance is covered? 5 meters. That's why 1, 5. Here. Next, 2. What is that one? 7. 7 means between 5 and 10, like middle. Next one, 3, 15. 3, 15 means here. Next, 4, 20. That's why we are observing that. Okay. So means here it is a straight line? No, it is not a straight line. It is the curved one is there. That's why. Okay, means the curved one is represented. The speed is not constant because of speed is nothing but distance by time. The ratio of distance time is gives the which physical quantity speed. That's why from this graph, okay, distance and time is there. The distance and time ratio values is given which one? Speed. With help of the we draw slope of the graph also we can find speed is not constant. Speed is different. I will be saying here. Okay, in this one, this is the first case, second one, third one, fourth one. We can say that S of 1, speed 1, distance by time 5 by 1. What is the speed? 5 meters per second. S of 2 for the second case 7 by 2. 3.5 meters per second. S of 3, 15 by 3, 15 by 3, 3, 5 meters per second. Here we are observing that like the same way, 4, 5. So means 5, 3.5, 5. Next 5. That's why what you are observing here. Okay, so means the speed of your body is not same. The speed of your body is changes. Is it correct or not? So means the body is not moving with the same speed from starting to ending of the journey. It will be moving with different speeds. That's why the body is in which speed? Non-uniform speed. It is also called non-uniform motion in certain cases. That's why, the distance versus time graph is a straight line. Then you can say that the body is moving with uniform speed. If the distance versus time graph is curved one, it is then we can say the body is in which one? Non-uniform speed. Third one is average speed. Average speed is equals to total distance traveled by a body upon total time taken to its entire journey. Okay, so means how we can say the average speed means always says that if a person is moving or if a body is moving from one place to another place, most of the cases in human being we are moving with always non-uniform speed but not the uniform speed. Okay, that's why when your body is moving to non-uniform speed, we consider the average speed. Means averagely, from starting to ending, how much speed we are maintaining. So means simply for understanding of you, if you are considering a person or a student, in FA1 marks, so in each subject it is the marks we are considering. So from Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social. SS already. We are observing that in every paper we didn't get the same marks. We get the different marks. Is it correct or not? That's why Telugu is, for example, if even 20 marks is there, 90, 15, 20, 15, 20, 20, like this one. Just we are observing that. Here we are observing that all the values are same, some values are same, but totally from starting of the subject to ending of these 6 subjects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So among the 6 subjects we are observing that so the marks are not same. They are different is that there. Some are equal, but most of the cases you are observing that all are not same. That is main. All are not same. That's why what we can do, we can find the average. Is it correct? Each subject is how many marks total? 20. That's why 6 to 120. So how many marks you can award it? That is represented average in all subjects. Like the same way, if a person is moving from one place to another place, he was moving with non-uniform speed. Means he move with different speeds. That's why from entire its journey, so averagely, means commonly how much speed he maintain. That is the average speed. How we can define means the ratio of the total distance traveled by a body in total time taken, then that is called average speed. And the final one is, what is that one? Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. Instant means on the spot, at that time, simply. Instant speed, simply I can say that. Instead of instantaneous, instant. Instant speed. Instant means generally we are observing that in our daily life. So in the morning or in the evening session, so your father in your home, your father or your sister or you maybe ask your mother, I want coffee. In the coffee we are observing that brew or Nescafe, some or continental instant coffee is there. Instant is nothing but just adding the coffee powder and stir very well, then automatically coffee will be made. That's why like it's nothing but on the spot or at the time only we made the coffee by adding into the milk. That like the same way, instant speed means at the time. Means how we can understand how to define means. The speed of a body at any instant time during its journey is called instantaneous speed. Listen very carefully. The speed of a body at any instant time during its journey is called instantaneous speed. Means when a body is moved from one place to another place, during its motion at any instant time. So what is the speed of the body? That speed is called instantaneous speed. That's why instantaneous speed is measured in vehicles by using the speedometer. In any vehicles we are observing that a display is there. It is having either analog or digital meters are there. In the analog or digital meters we are observing that some are analog. Analog means needle is there from 0 to 140 in bikes. Just under this one, here numbers are changes. We are observing that some are only digital is there. Here digital numbers are there. Like this one here, numbers are there. So this is the digital speedometer. It is the analog speedometer. What is the use of this one means in the meters mainly here 2 types of meters are there in the vehicles. This is the which one means here this part and this part. Either in analog or digital. This is represented the speed of vehicles. That's why it is called speedometer. Speedometer is displays the instantaneous speed. Means if you are moving in a bike, at any time suddenly if you can see the speedometer, it is showing for example either 40 or 60 or 70. That is represented at that time you are moving with how much speed in the bike. That's why that is the instantaneous speed. And here what about this display means? It is called odometer. It is called, what is that one? Speedometer. Speedometer is displays the body will be moved with how much instant speed in that time, and odometer is represented the how much distance you are covered. That's right. So listen very carefully. In vehicles, speedometer is displays or gives the information about what is the instant speed at that time, and odometer is gives how much distance you are traveled. That is given there. Okay.